Hola, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Let's pick a card. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. And which package has our quotes today? Let's pick this one. Love yourself as much as you want your soulmate to love you. Nothing is more important than your smile, your laugh, and your happiness. I leave you free to be yourself. You have that freedom. You have my love in the process. I have found the one my soul loves. The last one today. At the end of my longest day, I long for you to be beside me. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.